In ancient times, Tantra was the way of being. High priestesses and high priests were using tantric practices to embody the sacred union within. They could feel the sacredness in all forms of life, blessing everyone who crossed their path. They were truly blessings for the society, supporting vulnerable people in acknowledging the divine presence within them. The origin of Tantric Mastery, it's about the sacred union within. It's the divine dance between the feminine and masculine energy through the pure essence of I Am Presence. Feeling the sacredness in every form of life. It is about embodying the pure sacred union within our body. Each of us have a tantric memory within our field. Our body is a masterpiece of divine creation, and we have the key to unlock the enlightenment within through tantric practices, breath, mantras, and sensuality. It is sensing and feeling every breath on our skin, acknowledging the feminine and the masculine within us through the power of our sacred hearts. This is tantric field to master within, bringing yourself back to now and expanding the connection to the divine.